Hi Carol, it's Nikki over here at Dave Wright. I am sitting in an Impreza. This is a sport model, so it does have the red gauges and some red stitching, but it's going to be the same setup right here on the steering wheel. So to turn your cruise on, I'm going to hold my camera this way so you can see the buttons I'm pressing and the screen over here. So to turn your cruise on, you just push the car. When you do that, on your screen here, you're going to see that same icon, that little car with the gauge, and then your car is the one here on the screen. So like when I touch the brakes, it lights up the brake lights on here for you. So see that? This is our car. The lines ahead of it are the distance you're going to set between you and the car ahead of you. So right now there's 3 lines ahead of it. To adjust those lines, I either push this one, the up arrow is going to add lines, and then the bottom arrow here is going to take those lines away. So see how we're back down to just 1. So each line's approximately a second that your distance is between the next car. So I would always have, personally, I would always use 3 or 4 lines. 3 lines is a pretty good distance, 3 seconds away, and you can set your cruise. So once you get up to speed, push this down. That'll set your speed. So I'm not driving anywhere, so it's not going to do that. That's how you would do that. Once you get up to speed, push this down. Make sure this other icon here, your lane keep assist, lane centering feature, is lit up as well. So now you're going to see both those icons. So that means they're ready to work. Once you get up on the highway and get up to speed, they'll turn green, and that means that they're active. So just because you see them turned on doesn't necessarily mean they're working. The lines on each side of the car, the blue lines there, will light up like a brighter color when you're driving, and then the eyesight cameras read the lane markings. So like if I was running down 380, getting on the ramp, getting on 380 right now, once I get up to speed, then it's going to light up those lines and let me know that my lane keep assist is going to work, because the camera system can read the lines. So right now they're faded, they're not lit up, so that means they're not reading anything, but they're there, and if the cameras see the lines, it's going to light up and be able to use that feature for you. So, and then if you want to use it regular cruise without the lane keep assist, you would just push in right here. I just held that button in. You heard a little beep, and then my screen changed up here. So that means I can just get up to speed and set my regular cruise control. It's still going to do the lane keep assist. And then when those are green, like I said, that means that they're working. It may be a different color in your model. I'm not sure about that, but hopefully this helps. And like I said, next week when you come in, meet with Samantha, she can dig a little deeper into the tech with you, and sometimes it helps to hear it a couple different ways, and then it will get easier as you use it as well. So it's Nikki. My number is 319-343-3789. If you need me, call or text me, okay? Thanks, Carol.